Hi and welcome to Crypto Bible News. In today's news, we'll look at the following stories. Here are our headline stories. Binance helps take down cybercriminal ring, laundering $500,000 in ransomware. Elon Musk tells US government to back off crypto regulation. Bitcoin Millionaire transfers $206 million worth of Bitcoin to Binance. Why China's latest Bitcoin ban is bullish for DeFi. Before we get into the news, hit that like button, subscribe to Crypto Bible channel, and don't forget turn on all notifications so you never miss any more episodes of the news. Now let's get straight into our news. Binance helps take down cybercriminal ring laundering $500,000,000 in ransomware. Ransomware has become the biggest threat to online security, affecting all industries connected to the internet, from supply chains to healthcare institutions. Therefore, a critical part of Binance's commitment to ensuring the secure and sustainable growth of the global crypto ecosystem. It involves fighting different strains of ransomware and fraud. Earlier this year, we released a case study on the first Bulletproof Exchanger project, a dedicated anti-ransomware initiative where they worked with the Ukraine cyber police to arrest a major cybercriminal group that was laundering over $42 million worth of illicit funds. Now, more recently, Binance Security has been taking part in an international investigation alongside Ukraine Cyber Police, the Cyber Bureau of Korean National Police Agency, the US Law Enforcement, the Spanish Civil Guard, and Swiss Federal Office of Police, amongst others, in apprehending a prolific cybercriminal ring. The group, also known as Fancy Cat, has been running multiple criminal activities, distributing cyber attacks, operating a high-risk exchanger, and laundering money from dark web operations and high-profile cyber attacks such as C10P and Petya ransomware. In all, Fancy Cat is responsible for over $500,000,000 worth of damages in connection with ransomware, and millions more from other cyber crimes. Elon Musk tells the US government to back off crypto regulation. Musk pushes back against crackdowns and says US government should avoid regulating the cryptocurrency marketplace. Elon Musk has long been a supporter of digital currencies. In February, Tesla disclosed that it had purchased $1.5 billion worth, or £1.1 billion in Bitcoin, and it said at the time it would soon accept payment in the cryptocurrency for new electric car purchases. In March, Musk confirmed that Tesla vehicles in the US could be purchased by Bitcoin. However, in May, Musk rescinded and said the electric car maker would no longer accept Bitcoin payments from customers due to environmental concerns about its generation. This triggered a collapse in the value of the world's largest digital currency, but Elon Musk has cautioned the US government from getting involved. It is not possible to, I think, destroy crypto, but it is possible for governments to slow down its advancement. Musk was quoted by CNBC as saying at the Code Conference in Beverly Hills in California. Musk was responding on stage to a question from the New York Times columnist Kara Swisher. She asked whether the US government should be involved in regulating the crypto space. I would say do nothing, he was quoted as saying. Musk also reportedly commented on China's latest crypto crackdown. Musk said the heavy hand likely has to do with the country's significant electricity generation issues. Part of it may actually be due to electricity shortages in many parts of China, said Musk. A lot of South China right now is having random power outages because the power required and the demand is so higher than expected. Crypto mining might be playing a role in that, he said. At a higher level, the decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies may present a challenge for the Chinese government. I suppose cryptocurrency is fundamentally aimed at reducing the power of a centralized government. Musk reportedly said they don't like that. Bitcoin Millionaire transfers $206 million worth of Bitcoin to Binance. A leading crypto whale account moves 5,000 Bitcoin from Zappo to Binance. Bitcoin regained the price level of $43,000 today after a jump of nearly 4% in the last 24 hours, while Bitcoin bulls look keen to keep the world's largest digital asset above the $40,000 price. Its whale activity has spiked since yesterday. According to Whale Alert, one of the leading blockchain tracking and crypto analytic platforms, As a leading Bitcoin wallet transferred 5,000 Bitcoin from Zappo to Binance on the 29th of September at 4 minutes to 8 UTC. The total value of the transaction currently stands at around $206 million. In a separate transfer, someone moved 500 Bitcoin from an unknown wallet to the crypto exchange Coinbase. The latest surge in Bitcoin exchange supply came as a bit of a surprise after leading digital exchanges saw significant outflows in the last week. In the previous week, the Bitcoin exchange supply ratio plunged to its lowest level in more than 2 years. The latest exchange inflows indicate there is a change in the transfer pattern of prominent Bitcoin wallets. In terms of price, Bitcoin is currently trading above the $43,500 mark, a market capitalization of more than $820 billion. Why China's latest Bitcoin ban is bullish for DeFi. Last week, China banned Bitcoin yet again. Well, that's how a large chunk of mainstream news outlets reported it. More accurately, as Decrypt wrote, the Chinese government reiterated it deems crypto transactions as illegal. Bloomberg framed it as China widening its existing ban on crypto transactions. To be fair, it's understandable the media has such a hard time correctly conveying what China has done because it's confusing every time China re-announces its own crypto guidance. And it sends the price of Bitcoin tumbling each time, which media also rushes to cover the story. And it sends the price of Bitcoin tumbling each time, which media also rush to cover. There were some subtle new details in the communication. Out in China on September the 24th, the ban was endorsed by more than 10 government bureaus and institutions. Compared to previous iterations, where the People's Bank of China was the main figurehead. The ban brings stablecoins such as Tether into the spotlight. The ban covers not only crypto trading, but adjacent industries that promote crypto, news outlets, over-the-counter trading, and technology services, and needless to say, token launches. The government will have no obligation to protect citizens who are willing to buy into crypto schemes. No more protests in front of the city halls. And on this note, thank you for watching the news with us today. Please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the Crypto Bible channel, and don't forget to turn on the notifications bell so you never miss any news videos. Join our Discord group, and you can find us on all social media platforms, and all the links are in the description below. Leave your thoughts in the comments section below, and once again, thank you for your time, and join us tomorrow for more news.